Welcome back, guys. We all know one of the main questions we get as photographers is, what camera should I buy? Well, let me go a step beyond that to maybe something a little bit more important, is what lens should you buy? Your camera is only part of it. You can have the greatest camera in the world. If you put a cheap lens on it, you're not going to get great pictures. The one lens everybody needs, no matter if they've been a professional for 40 years or they just started, is the 50 millimeter lens. It's a 1.8. Every manufacturer makes them for a pretty good price. You can get them for $200 or $300. Canon, Nikon, everybody has them. If you're on a micro 4/3 camera, you'll need to get a 25 millimeter because with the crop, you'll be at 50 millimeter. So 50 millimeter is my number one recommendation. If you've got more money to spend, you can jump up and get the Canon 24-70 2.8. And if you're on the mirrorless, you can buy the RF version. It's like $2,100, or you can jump to the EF version. I use it. I have no problems on a mirrorless camera. You can get these used for around $500 or $600. It's the Canon 24-70 f2.8. Then you will be able to zoom anywhere from 24 to 70 and be able to keep that 2.8 all the way through. So it's a great camera, especially if you're shooting weddings or portraits, whatever you're shooting. The 24-70 will cover about everything you need. Now, an alternative to the 24-70 is a lens I really love. It is the Sigma 24-105. It has a longer reach than the 70. It goes to 105, but the downfall to it is it only goes down to f4.0. So you do lose the stop of light, but the pictures that come off of this lens are beautiful. I know these brand new, I think, are $1,100 or $1,200. Probably get one you use for maybe $450, somewhere in there. It's going to be comparable to the Canon 24-70 f2.8 in price. So it just kind of depends if you want the extra reach or you want the extra f-stop. I use both of them at weddings, and I also use the 50. So those are the three lenses that I would recommend with any camera that you get. And if you also, like I said, on micro 4/3, you're going to need a 25 millimeter because it has a 2x crop. If you're on an APS-C camera, you're going to need to probably get around a 35, and that'll get you near a 50 millimeter lens. So, but full frame, the 50 millimeter is 50 millimeters. So the three lenses, the Canon 50, the Canon 24-70 2.8, and the Sigma 24-105 f4. Those are the three lenses I would recommend for anybody that's getting started or anybody that's been in business for a long time. So check those out. Check KEH or MPB Photo. They're both great places to buy from. I'm not affiliated with them, but I'm just telling you what I know. Hey, for helping you guys out, have a good day. Thank you.